let's say that we have two identical microservices in here. So they're both healthy. Now, how does the load balancer knows to which microservice to send the request? This is done through the load balancer algorithm that you choose. Now, the most common one is round robin, meaning that it will distribute the requests sequentially according to the number of servers that you have. So if you have your very first request, then the load balancer will send the traffic to this customer microservice, so this very first one here. The next request will be sent to this other microservice. The third request is sent back to this microservice. The fourth request is sent back to this one, so on and so forth. So you can see that it kind of alternates as requests come along. Now, this is one algorithm, and it's known as the round robin. So it basically distributes the requests sequentially according to the number of servers that you have. But obviously, there are many algorithms that you can choose from. So you've got round robin, which requests are distributed across the groups of servers sequentially. You have least connections. A new request is sent to the server with the fewest current connections to clients. You've got least time. Send requests to the server selected by a formula that combines the fastest response time. You've got hash. Distribute the requests based on a key you define, maybe such as the client IP address, which means that when the client makes a request, it is almost guaranteed that the request will land on the same server. Then obviously you can take advantage, maybe if you are storing, for example, a session, or you are caching some data for that particular user, then this could be a good approach. But also there is something known as the consistent hashing. So this is when the number of servers increase or decrease, then obviously because the hash function will change because it's a modulus on the number of servers, then you can expect some requests to end up in a different server. So here IP hash, so this is pretty much what I've just described. And then you've got random with two choices, pick servers at random, so on and so forth. And this right here, I'm taking this from Nginx, which is a really great explanation. But depending on the load balancer that you choose, then you should check the available algorithms that they have to offer.